Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at a Walgreens preview for the week of December the 28th to January the 3rd. We're entering 2026 and shopping at Walgreens. How cool is that? Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 28th. And let's not forget, class, we have a new month. We're going to have new digital coupons, store coupons, and dealios, and so on and so forth. So I'm really looking forward to a great new month over there with high value coupons. If you guys could please do me a huge favor before we dive into the deals and give this video a big thumbs up or possibly hype it, I would be so grateful. And also, we've been following some of the Christmas clearance as of Friday the 26th. This is what we have. Walgreens is at 50% off, and the other stores are listed as well. And then I'm estimating that on January the 2nd, it's going to hit 70, and then on the 5th, 80% at Walgreens. Nothing more. It will not go to 90 because it hasn't in the last couple years. Stuff like lights and bags and gift wrap, don't buy it at 50, go for the 70 or 80. It will still be in the store, especially if your store has a lot of stuff. Candy and treats, Walmart's only at 25%. So if you want to stock up on those things, you're going to a New Year's party, that would be the place to buy your stuff, Walgreens. And in case you want to see the more full list of a whole bunch of different stores, I will link this video at the very end. Let's not forget, class, the 10 back when you spend 40 expires on the 31st of December, which is Wednesday. So you do not have this for the rest of the week. In the middle of the week, it's going to turn into a big giant pumpkin. So let's not forget that. And we'll definitely utilize this in curbside deals earlier in the week. What we did get, or at least what I got, was a whole bunch of stuff for vitamins, like a 10 back when you spend 25 on the Walgreens vitamins, 10 back when you spend 25 on the Nature's Bounty, and a 5 back when you buy 3 P&G dental care items. So go and load these, and it's valid from the 28th right till January the 3rd. So remember, the fun doesn't start till Sunday the 28th. Okay, so let's hop right into this, guys. The first super deal that we have in this week flyer is the $1.99 Purex. Usually it's the pods, the liquid, and those scent beads. Usually they're like $8.99, very expensive. So grabbing 3 of these at $1.99 a pop, that's $5.97. If you want to use Register Reward or Walgreens Cash, you're doing this deal with no booster, that's perfectly fine. Hang on to your receipt. Sometimes IBOTTA gives us $1 back on some of this Purex stuff, so that might be it might drop the price even more. But if you're doing this without a booster, it's okay to use Walgreens Cash. The next deal we're looking at, and I love this deal, with the Tresemme for $6. A lot of stores have this on clearance, and if you still might have some around, it was printing the Register Reward like 2 weeks ago. But grabbing 2 of these at $6 on the nose, that's $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $4 Register Reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash to pay down the balance if you're doing the deal with no booster. And what is a booster? Something like that 10 back when you spend 40, or if you might have a paper one, that specifically you don't want to use Walgreens Cash with one of these because you won't get anything back. They are a casino that does not like to lose. Okay, moving it along, let's look at a deal for some very inexpensive dental care. The 350 Crest or the 350 Oral-B brushes. We are going to get a 5 off 3 digital coupon and a $5 reward when you purchase 3. Grabbing 3 of these products at $3.50, that's $10.50. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Get back a $5 Register Reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per item. I mean, this is a stock up price. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, if you are more of a Colgate household, the $5 Colgates, I'm wondering if Hello will be included because I've really fallen in love with the Hello toothpaste. Grabbing 2 of these products, it's going to be $10. Subtracting that 4 off 2 digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back a $5 Register Reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I think it's going to be a 4 off 2 off of the paste and the brush. It kind of looks like it's going to be that way, but we'll have to wait and see on Sunday the 28th. And now $7 or $8 Olay or Old Spice. Is the Old Spice that price? Because it's been $8 for the last couple weeks, so I don't know what they're doing, but 3 of those Olay body washes at $8 is $24. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $19. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $14 for the 3 or $4.66 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Check your fetch if you might have a progressive one of spend $19 to get $2 back. I think I have that one, but I'm not sure when it expires and if it'll be there on the 28th, so I'll have to double, triple check. And then also IBOTTA sometimes has a rebate for these as well, so hang on to your receipt a week post in case a rebate might pop up. Shampoo at $5.49. A $5 reward when you purchase 3 and a $3 off digital coupon. Again, another item that's been on clearance in the last little bit. So grabbing 3 of these, it would be $16.47. Subtracting your $3 coupon, you're paying $13.47, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $8.47 for the 3 or $2.82 per unit. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And I would double, triple check if you have any Pantene that's on clearance at your store so you can get this on the cheapy cheap. Okay, and now we're looking at the $9.99 Venus and Gillette razors, $3 digital probably for both with a $6 reward when you purchase 2. If you can track down 2 of those cheapy cheap razors, it'll be $19.98. Subtracting a $3 digital off of both, you're paying $13.98, getting back a $6 register reward, making it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this deal with no booster. So not a bad little deal, $3.99 for those razors. If you've been going crazy with the gift sets, you probably have $3 paper coupons for both the Venus and Gillette. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So grabbing a more expensive one and a cheaper one, that would be $15.48 on a buy one, get one 50% off. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons from those gift sets, you'll pay $9.48. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $4.48 for the 2 or $2.24 per razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing the deal with no booster. Select Bounce, Downy, Gain, Tide products, $5.49, $5 reward when you purchase 4, and a $2 off coupon. I believe the $2 off will be for the Tide Pods and Tide Liquid, and the other items will have dollar digitals. So 4 of these products, and you're going to have to get an assortment. That's $21.96, subtracting $6, so $2 and then $2 coupons. That's 6 off. You'll pay $15.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per product. If you're doing the deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Of deodorant, buy one, get one 50% off. This is a product I've seen on clearance at a lot of stores with the 4 off 2 probably digital coupon and a $2 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of the regular price Dove brick deodorants, that'll be $13.18. Subtracting that gorgeous coupon, you're paying $9.18, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $7.18 for the 2 or $3.59 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have a register reward from Crest or whatever, Colgate, and you want to throw it into this deal, by all means do it so you're paying smaller out of pockets. And now we're looking at a deal with the Toms of Maine. The cheapest item is the kids toothpaste on a buy one, get one 50% off, 4 off 2 digital coupon, and a $2 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of those kids on a BOGO 50% off, it's $8.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $4.98, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I will let you guys know, hang on to your receipt because sometimes IBOTTA for this specific Toms of Maine, there's sometimes rebates that pop up even after the deal, the first couple days of the deal. You have a week post to submit receipts to IBOTTA, so hang on to that receipt. St. Ives body wash is buy one, get one 50% off with a $4 reward when you purchase 2. St. Ives is cheaper, Caress is a bit more expensive. Grabbing 2 of those St. Ives at $5.99, it'll be $8.98 for the 2, getting back a $4 register reward. It makes it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 for these large body washes that everybody loves. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now we also have a $2.50 digital coupon for the Febreze small spaces. So at $3.49, this little clippy or this little bathroom friend will be 99 cents. So if you wanted to try those out for 99 cents, that's certainly a great price point. Let's go really quick through the honorable mentions. The first one goes to a lot of the soda. 2 for $13 for the Coke and Sprite. As New Year's is smack dab in the middle of the week, they want you to get all of your beverages and snacks over at Walgreens, so they're really trying to tempt you. A buy 2, get 1 for free on the Canada Dry, A&W, and 7-Up. And 2 for $10 for these DiGiorno pizzas, so $5 each, and they are the larger pizzas. The Supreme used to be my favorite pizza. And 2 for $6 for the Lay's potato chips, so it makes it $3 per bag. And moving it along, we also have the nice cashews and almonds, the fancier ones, buy 1, get 1 free. That is it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.